Good morning, everybody. I am Beach Bum and Dad, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be going on a little adventure with y'all. We are on Marco Island, South Beach area. Let me turn the camera on. Let's go walking along the beach. So a couple rules before we go. You can see there are lots of shells, and there is debris. Boards, tires, just basically stuff. So when you're in an area like this, there's no getting around walking across the shells. And if I wasn't wearing shoes, it'd be kind of tough on the footsies. So make sure anytime you come into an area like this, where there are lots of shells, and maybe after a storm too, nice cockle shell, and look at them all here. Make sure you're wearing some shoes. Oh, this one looks like a really dark one. Look at that. There's a spiny jewel box. A little worn out. A little higher and check things out. Looks like a pretty scallop there. Ooh, nice. Character to that shell. Look at cockle shells. Oh, look at this. This scallop. Don't find these in the panhandle. Look at that. Pretty. You can use them for candles, just displaying around the house. Put them in the shell garden. Always love collecting them. Alright, let's go set these down. And like any good adventure, you're always gonna walk around, look over the next mountain. So let's look through here. Lots of pen shells. Tons of pen shells. Some starfish, and look at the figs in here. Lots of pretty figs. So you don't find those too often. Generally in the panhandle we'll find them after a storm. You know, some wind or something. So let's look through here and see if we can find some. And then hopefully get them home without breaking. Another one. What's under there? Look at them. What about this one? Oh, gotta reach over there, folks. There's one. Look at them all. It's pretty stinky here. Whew. Lots of figs. Alright, thought we'd stand up a little bit. Thought we'd get up close and personal with these shells. Since there aren't, you know, big ones scattered all over, sometimes you gotta get close and look. There's a scallop. I see people walking by. Oh, I see something up ahead. One gentleman said he had just arrived. That's a cross-barred Venus. Here are a couple of them, actually. But look it up ahead. Myricks. See it? Haha. Nice. I'll let y'all go up ahead and you let me know if you find anything. Alright, back down by the water. You know, basically as the water's rolling like this, you just keep walking back and forth. And folks, I might pick up some shells today that I've never seen. Oh, I don't want to get wet at the moment. So If you see something, and you know what it is, it's alright. You can comment down below. You can help me out. Anytime you get these big wind events, you get all kinds of craziness washing up. Oh, look at this. So close. That would have been nice. Banded tulip. Oh, look at this immature fighting conch. That's a pretty one. Birds walking by. Alright, let's stand up and walk a few more feet. So I made the comment a few moments ago about getting up close and personal. I found that the last time I shelled here, it kind of looked like this. It wasn't after a storm, just another sunny day in paradise. And there were lots of tiny shells, and I stayed for a couple hours shelling and filming. If you just, I mean, sometimes I would just stand like this and just let the water roll. All right, here's a lightning whelk. And you could pick out shells, or the surf would turn them, or, you know, bring them in. That's the one I saw. So we might find a little, oh, look at this crossbarred Venus. See, we don't get them like this in the panhandle. They don't look like that. That's pretty cool. Spiny jewel box. Look at that, some spines on it too. So anyway, the last time I was shelling here, I moved back and forth, you know, just to, oh, look at this one. Look at this spiny. Look at that. Very nice. I would just stand here and I saw gaudies, shark's eyes. You just pick them out. Again, they're not huge. When you pay attention, you can find stuff. So here's what I was saying about debris. And if you're walking in the water, you don't know what's in there. Twigs, branches, logs, and pin shells there. Here's a neat looking scallop. I'll grab this one. Oh, I think there was just some red out of the corner of my eye, but it washed away. Oh, look at this. So I think the footy prints are from the guy that was looking for the Genonia. And look at, it's a beat up banded, but we're gonna take it. We can put it in the garden. You don't find banded tulips too often in the panhandle, so that's a good find. I'll turn a little bit. That fighting conch. Alright, y'all, time to take a break. Gotta do some cleaning, so y'all stay tuned for part 2, Marco South Beach, and more South Florida shelling. Y'all take care, and thank y'all for watching.